to town.
Hey!
What?
Come over here. The Cat in the Hat is about to appear. He's whizzing over to whisk you away on a fabulous journey today.
He's coming!
Now he's arrived in the thingamajigger, the thing that he drives. He's a cat and he oodles of fun with his hairy helpers, thing 2 and thing 1. Just start like that. Wherever you're going, wherever you're at, the Cat in the Hat knows a lot about. He knows a lot about. He knows a lot about. He knows a lot about that.
Check out this bing sound, Nick.
Nice one, Sally. Now, listen to this bang!
Now all we need is a boom.
So we can go bing, bang, boom. We need something else.
We need a helping hand.
My hands aren't busy right now. Will they do?
It's the cat!
The Cat in the Hat. We need something that goes boom.
I happen to know that drums are best for making booming sounds.
Too bad there aren't any around.
Except the drums in our ears.
Huh?
We have drums?
In our ears?
Sure you do. Eardrums may not be the kind of drums you're talking about, but it's true.
Are they the kind that go boom?
Well, interesting question. I don't know. But my good friend Dr. Giggles knows all about ears. Let's go ask him. Your mother will not mind at all if you do.
Mom, can we go with the Cat in the Hat to find out if eardrums go boom?
Find out if eardrums go boom? I can't wait to hear all about it.
Thank you. We can go! We can go!
I know! To the thingamajigger!
Fish don't have sticky, outy ears, but we're really good listeners.
Then listen to this. Are you ready?
Yes, we are!
Are you steady?
Yes, we are!
Are you sure you're ready to explore?
Yes, we are!
Then buckle up! Flick the jigger, my whizzer! Isn't this fun? Here we go, 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 go! On an adventure, the thingamajigger is up and away!
Go, 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 go! On an adventure, we're flying with the Cat in the Hat today!
To ask Dr. Giggles if eardrums go boom, I can't wait to get there. I hope it's real soon.
Here we go, 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 go! On an adventure, go, 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 go!
Welcome to Dr. Giggles' house.
I hope the doctor's in.
There's only one way to find out.
What? Huh? Who's there?
The cat.
The cat who?
The Cat in the Hat. Dr. Giggles.
Hello!
Hello to you too. Now, how may I help you today?
We have a question.
Go on. I'm all ears.
Do we really have drums in our ears?
Woohoo! Now, let me see. But remember, you must never stick things in your ears. We doctors use special equipment to look deep inside. I can see quite clear. You most certainly do have a drum in your ear.
What does it look like?
Why don't we go see for ourselves?
You mean go inside someone's ear?
Not someone, something. When you want to check out what eardrums can do, who better to call than Thing 1 and Thing 2?
Hello!
Can you lend us an ear?
Woohoo! ears are the perfect shape for collecting sounds.
Let's play a game to help choose which one of these ears we should use. Name this sound. A cow? That's right, you win.
But how are we going to fit?
There's only one way to find out. To the thingamajigger. To safely explore inside Thing One's ear, we need to shrink down real small. Press the shrinkamadoodle, Sally. And we'll need to use the hover-above-her.
Cool!
Here we go.
Wow!
Hello?
Hi, Dr. Giggles. We see you.
And I can see you too on my scattermajammer. You're right here, in the tube that goes from Thing One's ear to inside his head.
It's awfully dark in here. I think we need lights to see where we're going.
Look out!
Ew. We've landed in some sticky stuff.
That's earwax. It stops dust and dirt from getting into your ears.
It really works!
Let's not stick around.
Hooray!
Every sound you hear goes down this tube until it hits.
A big bouncy wall?
You found it! That's the eardrum!
It's not like any drum I've seen before.
And it didn't go boom!
That's because the eardrum's not for making sounds. It's for catching them!
From the loudest tartuta to the quietest jangjuga. Make some noise and you'll see.
That sound made it move. Let me try.
How does it do that?
Sounds are invisible. You can't see them at all without my special sound seer spray.
Hit it!
Wow! Sound is like a wave in the air. And when it hits the eardrum, it makes it jiggle.
That jiggling must be how we hear. Cool.
But each sound is different. How do we tell one sound from another sound?
That takes place deeper inside when the eardrum passes it on.
Oh boy, I want to go see.
And hear more.
Ooh, that eardrum's pulled pretty tight. This is as far as you can go.
Then pull the Wizarmafizzer.
Yay! Whoa! Wow! Where are we now?
There you are on the other side of the eardrum. It's called the middle ear.
Hey, Sally! Check out those big, funny bones!
Those bones are the tiniest bones in our bodies. They only look big because you're so small.
What do they do?
I will show you. Thing two, will you please sing?
La la la!
Look! The eardrum caught that sound.
And it's passing it on!
Look at those bones shake, rattle, and roll.
That shaking is called vibration. The eardrum turns sounds into vibrations and passes them on to the bones in the middle ear.
And that's how we hear.
Not so fast.
The cat's right. Those bones aren't done yet.
Yes! I see. They're shaking that spirally-wirily thing.
Passing on the sound again.
Let's follow those good vibrations.
I suggest you close the top before you do.
Good idea. Pull the Wizarmafizzer.
Yay! Woohoo!
This is my kind of place. You're in the inner ear now.
It's where sounds really get inside your head.
It's real hairy.
Look! The pass-it-on vibrations are making the hairs move.
They wiggle and jiggle to every sound.
And that's how we hear sounds?
It is. That wiggling and jiggling sends signals to our brains, which is the last step in hearing sounds.
Pass it on! Press the Whizzer-ma-Fizzer.
That was awesome.
Time to get big again.
Press the Bigamaboodle.
Thanks for showing us the eardrum, Dr. Giggles.
Anytime.
And thanks, Thing 1 and Thing 2. Following those good vibrations has given me an idea for a new game back home.
Goodbye, Dr. Giggles.
See ya!
Goodbye!
Goodbye. Come back anytime.
There's a drum in our ear that does not make a sound. Instead, it catches every noise that's around. Then it passes it on, which allows us to hear. And I think that's worth a very big cheer.
Yay! Ready? Pass it on.
Pass it on!
Pass it on. Wow, that is loud.
Thank your eardrum. Isn't this fun?
Hey, kids, want to find out more fun stuff about animals, plants, and, well, fish? Go to pbskids.org for fun games, fascinating facts, and fantastic activities.